Hi there, students. Vague, an adjective. Vaguely, the adverb. And yes, I guess vagueness, the noun, or maybe a vagary as well. Okay, so vague is something that is not clearly expressed, it's not clearly defined, it's not well explained, it's not precise, it's not clear in shape, it's not clearly seen. So I have a vague idea of what you mean, but not exactly. It's not explicit, it's not exact, it's very ambiguous, it's not clear in my mind. Yeah. I have a vague understanding of this, so it's not very clear. If you see something, it looks vague. So I can see the screen vaguely, but I can't read the letters. Okay. Or a vague feeling, something that you feel, but not distinctly. It's rather hazy. It's not terribly clear. He made a vague promise about inviting me to lunch. He didn't say, I'll meet you tomorrow for lunch at 1 o'clock. No. Well, maybe someday we'll have lunch. That's rather vague. I can see a vague shape in the distance, not clear, not clearly discernible. There's a vague rumour about this. It's not clearly defined, it's not clearly known. My teacher's very vague. He lacks precision, he lacks clear thinking, he's a bit absent-minded. Okay, so vague, indistinct, indefinite, indeterminate, unclear, hazy, cloudy, fuzzy, imprecise, inexact, rough, approximate, not explicit, non-specific. Yeah? He made vague accusations about wrongdoing, but he didn't define them. Yeah? I've only got a slight idea, I've only got a vague idea, or I haven't the vaguest idea, so not even the most unclear idea. I felt a vague longing for something sweet. Yeah. I wish this guy would be more precise. Yeah. Not, I'll meet you someday soon. I'll meet you on Monday. I wish he was less vague about dates and times. Yeah, I guess somebody could have a vague stare or vague eyes as well, rather vacant, although that is probably more unusual. Okay, so a vague answer, unclear answer, a vague concept, not tightly pinned down. He gave a vague definition of the word. He gave me a few vague details, but not all of them. Yeah, he gave me a vague hint that something was happening. I've got a vague hope that maybe I will be successful in this. I haven't even the vaguest idea about this. Okay, so vague. I think I've probably defined it rather clearly and rather succinctly instead. Well, maybe not succinctly, but clearly. Okay, so vague. 5 informality. Use it absolutely anywhere. And it comes from Latin vagus, meaning wandering, yeah, or roaming, yeah, vague. And probably comes from Proto-Indo-European huogos, yeah, to walk around, to wander. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. Be precise, don't be vague. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Vague, vaguely, vagueness.